Okay, this is a video overview of the organization of the Blackboard site. Note that all assignments are due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Central Time, and that's a good point, Central Time. Here's a video on using APA. What you'll be interested in is here's the link to the syllabus. I have an introduction slide for those of you who have not had me in the past, and I've updated it for this semester. The weekly modules are standard the way I organize them. It says the week, the date, and the main topic. You just click there. I put up here something new from before. I'm just putting in a thing called random thoughts. You have Yellow Dig. If you've not used Yellow Dig before, it's explained over here on the left-hand side. I have the rules, activity in 300 to 400 or more words, always cite an online source, explain at least in 5 sentences how your source supports your thoughts. Here's a PDF document along with a 5-minute video, and I've created 2 visuals explaining how Yellow Dig works. You will be having 3 infographic activities. I have a description here, and here's where you will upload them. There's the dates, so all that is in the system. You'll be doing a project after action review. The midterm exam will be posted here. The final exam will be posted here. Here is the project for those in business communication or corporate comm. And here is the course project for everyone else. Okay? That's about it. I hope you'll enjoy the course, and I look forward to starting to talk to you next Tuesday.